This evening we are here at the International Convention Centre in East London for a very important calendar event in the life of the university, namely the Vice-Chancellor's Teaching and Learning Awards. Now, the Teaching and Learning Awards are an event where we sit and recognize and acknowledge our top teachers, our top lecturers, our top professors in various fields. These are people who have excelled above the rest. It doesn't mean the rest are not good performers, but these are just a cut above the rest. So for us, it's very heartwarming. It's also an event where people bring their families, the awardees bring their families, their colleagues, and so it's a moment of celebration. And tonight was very, very, very exciting. What, for me, this event represents, it represents the core business, how seriously we take the core business of the university, namely teaching. The second part of the event, actually, was something new that we've done this year. We unveiled a teaching and learning report, which documents and details all the work that we've done over the last while. And again, it's one document that I can hold up, that we can hold up and brag about. As I said, this is the report that one can write home about because it detailed all the teaching and learning activities, the students, the lecturers, and so on and so forth. And most importantly, all the innovations in terms of curriculum planning and curriculum renewal and so on and so forth.
The Teaching and Learning Center has a mandate of ensuring that teaching and learning is enhanced, developed and supported institutionally. The functions of the center are threefold. One is to support students' learning and ensure that students' capacities to learn are developed. And then there's a component of our work that requires the capacitation of staff so that they are able to teach better for the sake of maximizing learning. And there is an e-learning arm of our work, which is all about enhancing teaching through the infusion of technologies into teaching and learning.
At Fort Hare, the most stable area of our work is teaching, learning and research. And therefore, through all the turbulence that we may have had in the past, and teaching and learning continued. Teaching and learning continued consistently. We taught the students, we taught them through COVID, we taught them through many other moments of instability and turbulence. And so that's why students at Fort Hare are so resilient, because our lecturers, our professors take them very, very seriously.
This award, shows me that, there's power in, experimenting and being creative in our teaching. And I think, it gives me more confidence to even do action research where we can publish, the practice so that I can also share with other colleagues so that they can also experiment it in their classes. So for me, I think it's personal growth in my practice.
The award means a lot because normally during the year it gets so busy and you focus so much on what you are doing that you sometimes forget that what you do actually makes an impact. And it's wonderful to receive that acknowledgement, and it motivates you to proceed on and try harder the next year because it's so important for the students.
It's quite motivating, to be honest, and it actually pushes me now to actually have higher goals, to strive for better, because this is an entry sort of junior category, and then there's a senior of which I am going to be targeting that. So that means I need to pull, some of my skills, some of my strategies, and equip myself, to become better in order to be a better lecturer, researcher, assessor, facilitator.